this video, we're gonna learn how to use the polyline and the difference between a polyline and a line. Now, there is several ways to access this command. The first is simply by clicking on the icon, a polyline icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then tool palettes, then it is right here, or simply by typing polyline on the screen. After calling this command, you can simply specify the first point, then the next, and do whatever shape you want with this line. If I click on any segment in this line, I'm gonna select the whole line. But if I use a normal line right here and do whatever shape I want with it, and click on any segment, I'm gonna select it individually. I'm gonna select the individual segment. I can move it and wherever I want, but this is not the case with the polyline. If I want to move it, I can't because it's a polyline. I'm gonna move the whole line. If I want to convert a polyline to a line, a normal line, I'm gonna use the explode command right here, and now it's a normal line. I can move it. I can do whatever I want with it. If I want to convert it back, I can select it all, then type in join on the screen. Now it's back to a normal line. That was pretty much what we have for today. Stay tuned for another video, and I hope you'll subscribe for the channel. Thank you very much for watching.